Hello everyone, here we are at the Halcyon project in Nea Ionia. On the roof, the waterproofing works have been completed and railings are being installed around the building, with half of them already in place on the terrace. On the upper floors, aluminum frames are already being installed and plastering works are currently taking place in different areas throughout the building. Completed at around 90%, offering a clear and tangible picture of the result. Over the past month, we've made strong progress across the building. Doors are being installed, while kitchens and wardrobes are largely completed, with only a few areas remaining. The top floor apartment is structurally ready, with electrical and plumbing works in progress. Window frames have been installed on most floors, and the railings are currently being finalized. As we move forward, our focus is on refining the final details, ensuring everything meets the standards we set in the beginning.